task number 5 of the Observing Mechanisms project is to answer some conclusions. This is your opportunity to share with your teachers what you've learned as you've built and explored these different mechanisms along the way. So again, our essential question that we want to answer today is what mechanisms change the direction of motion. And so we have some different mechanisms that we explored. You probably could answer this question now, but we want to make sure that we understand mechanisms that change the direction of motion, because this information will help us in the next project. All right, so go ahead and pause this video and open up your design notebook. All right, we've got our design notebook open. Task 5 you can see is evaluating. So we are just looking back, we're reflecting, we're thinking about all that we've learned through this project. Let's click on the bookmark for task number 5. Essential question, what mechanisms change the direction of motion? Make sure you answer this because this is a must-answer question. And today, as you evaluate, as you draw conclusions, you're going to write answers to the following conclusion questions. We'd like you to explain your responses in as much detail as possible, because again, this is your opportunity to share with us what you've learned about gears and mechanisms. And you should aspire to use complete sentences as you write. So, questions that you're going to answer: which mechanisms can increase speed? Which mechanisms can increase torque? Which mechanisms allow for the reversal of power? So you need to go back to some of those questions that you maybe did or answered as part of task 4 to help you answer those. What's been the most challenging aspect of building with the VEX robotics parts? And on the flip side, what was easy about building with these VEX robotics parts? And so all of the conclusions this time are must-answer questions, so make sure that you give a thorough, thoughtful answer to each of those. Then just wrap it all up. What's something that you learned throughout this? Could be just in the conclusions here, or it could be in the whole project itself. What's something that you were successful with? And then you see the stop sign, the end of task number 5, and you are done, and you can submit this project. Good luck. Reach out to your teachers if you have questions.